Hi everyone. What action India should take against Nepal? Yes, really, India should take some action in order to control Nepal because Nepal is acting like slave of China. I am sorry to say that, but it's truth. Whatever action Nepal is taking, that all are against of India, and some of the action of Nepal is without base. There is no truth in that. Yes, but before going to the topic, I should tell you something about my videos. Actually, this is my first video in English, and some of my friends told me that I should speak in English also so that my video can reach audio more audience who are non-Hindi peoples. My channels, whatever video I make till now, nearly 90s videos, that all are in Hindis. So in order to reach more audience and the peoples who are not from Hindi, some of my friends are from South and even foreigner also. They told me to speak in English, so that I am speaking in English. Now coming to the topic, and if you like my explanation, please subscribe my channel. Actually, Saturday evening, Nepal lower house passed new map. Yes, in that Nepal claims three areas of India. Not only claims, they have given constitutional status also. Yes, Uttarakhand state, that three areas are now coming in India in Uttarakhand state. Yes, first area was Kalapani, second area was Lipu Lake, and third area was Limpiadora. Nepal shown that all areas to Nepal new map, and they given constitutional status. Even though India and Nepal is having one mechanism. Yes, through that mechanism, any border issue from Nepal between India and Nepal can be solved easily through talks. And there have been already talks between India and Nepal, but Nepal ignored that all mechanism. Nepal bypassed that all mechanism, and Nepal simply claimed that. It is because Nepal Communist Party is full control of China. Yes, whatever I am saying with base. 4 of my Kathmandu post, if I am not if I am not wrong of date, then Kathmandu Post of Nepal newspaper kept one article. In that they said that Chinese envoy of Nepal has did series of meeting with Nepal Communist Party representative in order to save KP Oli government. Yes, your listening is correct. Means Communist Party of Nepal is means whoever rule the Nepal, China is deciding that, and finally Communist Party of Nepal is paying to China debt. Yes, actually 2018 Nepal was having Communist Party of Nepal was having two fractions. One was Leninist, one was Maoist. Chinese Mao. What China did is China made merger of that, and due to China effort, both has merged and made Nepal Communist Party. And finally, they came in power. For India perspectives, relationship between China and Nepal is not a worry of us. Nepal is an independent country; they can do whatever they want. But if Nepal will start to act whatever China is saying in that, and China is using Nepal like a new Pakistan. What Pakistan is doing with Nepal by saying of China, India, same Nepal is doing with India by saying of China. And if Nepal will not stop their whatever action they are taking, if they won't stop, then soon Nepal will become new Tibet. Yes, Nepal will become new Tibet. For India, it will be not a very big problem. We are already fighting China in many positions. Yes, we are fighting China in Nepal, in Ladakh. We have given a strong reply to them, a strong retaliation to them in Doklam. and we will be giving everywhere where we needs, because India is independent country. India is having big army. Even China is having big army. That's not a problem. We will fight with them if needs come. Okay, but now I am quoting something what India is doing to Nepal, and it's high time. After that, I will explain. It's high time that India should reset their relation with Nepal, and whatever treaty is existing from 1950 with Nepal, India should reset them, and India should take some actions in order to teach lesson to Nepal. I am not saying the people of Nepal, because traditionally Nepal was, and culturally, yes, traditionally and culturally Nepal is friend of India. Past, in present also, before coming to the this communist government, who is fully doing all actions whatever China is saying they are doing. Now I say something about what India is doing to Nepal. Nepal, as all of you know, Nepal is landlocked state. Yes, Nepal is landlocked state. They do not have any access of sea. But as Nepal is landlocked state, and the boundary share between India and Nepal is 1691 kilometers. India give Nepal to 4-5 seaport for their businesses. Yes, but in recent year, China also given Nepal to access of their port. 2 ports they have given, but the distance between Nepal and China is that nearest seaport is 3000 kilometer, but India nearest seaport from Nepal is 1000 kilometer. So if you do business from China to Nepal, then it will take 3000 kilometers. Transportation cost will be so high, but India is giving you that access. Transportation cost is low, so whatever things you are importing to your country is lower cost, at the lower cost, and if you import from China it will be more cost. And most biggest thing is 80 lakh people, citizen of Nepal is living in India. Out of 2.5 crore population, nearly 80 lakh people are living in India, citizen of Nepal. And India is, means Nepal is getting more biggest remittances from India, that is nearly 148 billions Nepalese rupees, highest. And India gives Nepal people in government job also, access to government job also, including Gorkha armies, including medical field also, many things. And India give a scholarship to Nepalese people, Nepali student. Yes, and the border between India and Nepal and Indian state of Bihar, UP, they have both relations, means they have family relations. Nepal son-in-law is from India, and Nepal sister-in-law, Nepal daughter-in-law from India. Same thing happens to those who are living in India also. But whatever Nepal is doing now, India is forced to take some action against Nepal, and it is high time. It is hard time to India should take some actions. Yes, because if India won't take any action now, will not take any action now, then it will be the loss of interest of India. Because no country have, you will say that India and Nepal is traditionally a friend, yes, culturally a friend, yes, in past, but in coming days in diplomatic relation, no country have permanent enemies and no country have permanent friends. Yes, now, as Nepal is acting against India interest, then India should also take some actions in order to curb Nepal, in order to control Nepal. Yes, and whatever actions India will take, that will hurt Nepal, is truth. And recent days, before few days, India fired to Indian citizens, and one citizen get killed. It is so irresponsible behavior from Nepal border police. But see, India also, to curb and to calm down the situation, SSB told that Indian people means India SSB tried a lot hard to calm down that situations. Now even if Nepal won't do any, if Nepal will act in the hand of China, India will take some actions certainly, and that will hurt to Nepalese people a lot. And in last, I am saying one thing: if you do all things, then in your areas in Nepal recent few years, Nepal made one new constitution. Yes, and in that constitution, what Nepal did is Nepal, Madhesi, Tharu, that all are culturally related to Indian people. They all live in Nepal, border area of Nepal. They have not given equal rights to them. Yes, it's right. They have not given equal rights to them. Now India, and they are not happy with Nepalese people. Yes, Gorkhas people, they are not happy. If you go beyond certain levels, then what India will do? How India created new Bangladesh and supported Mukti Bahini of Bangladesh. That time Purbi Pakistan, West Pakistan, East Pakistan. Now it will be Nepal. We will support to them and we will try our level best to bifurcate your country. I am saying India won't willing to do that, but if you force us to do, we will take all possible actions, and it is hard time to Indian government to reset relationship with Nepal and take some action and tell Nepal something to do. If Nepal won't do, and Indian interest will harm from that Nepal actions, whatever actions is Nepal is taking, if Indian actions, if Indian interest will harm, then India should take some actions, because China is encroaching Nepal territory. Yes, it's true. Nepal Survey Department told in 2019, December 19, that 36 hectares of land China encroached. Nepal government did not say anything against China. So Nepalese people also should think what their government is doing. And in this time coronavirus issue, India has given you 25 tons medical supply that free of cost. No one will give you free of cost. India has given you. So I am saying to Nepalese people, you please tell your government, for me, for as an Indian, we should not concern the relation between Nepal and China. They are independent country, they can do anything. But you must not act whatever China is spelling against India, you should not do that. If you do, we will force to take action on you, and it will be harm you, because your 80 lakhs people are living in India, and many more things. What as I said earlier, I hope your government will listen you and you people will back up. If you do not do so, we will force to take some action against Nepal. If you are listening my videos till now, I am thankful to you, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you my friend. Thank you.